thereafter we passed by a broken souk, a broken buildings, which we found out that this was actually a very ancient old souk, over 200 to 300 years. People were trading in it. For the past 80, 90 years, there's no one trading. Everything has been broken. But as I mentioned, as a sort of ibarah, is something to know that sometimes we think that dunya is everything, and everything we build around us is always going to be the glitter and glamour and shine, but it's not like that. It will all come to an end one day. What is going to remain with us is baqiyatu salihat. Our good deeds will remain with us. And now, right now, we are, mashallah, in Wadi Al-Qaha, and currently we are in Wadi Al-Qaha. Inshallah, we hope that tomorrow we will continue our walk.